Hi everyone, we've decided to make fairy bread to leave for our potential fairy. Maybe we'll be able to get a glimpse of her that way, we don't know. But my children have investigated the footprints and they think that it's definitely a fairy. So I did some research, some Googling, and we decided that possibly fairy bread would be good for the fairy or would bring the fairy out. So I have the ingredients here to make fairy bread, which is 1 piece of bread, some butter, and some sprinkles. So I have Tabitha here and she's going to help make some fairy bread. So we have the bread, the butter, and the sprinkles. So she's going to butter the bread. We have some sprinkles and she's going to put some sprinkles on the bread. And they said you're really supposed to get them on there. Supposed to put a ton of sprinkles on it.
Wee, that's a lot.
That is a lot.
Okay, no more. Good enough.
Okay, so we have the sprinkles on the bread, but of course, fairy, we don't know how big our fairy is, but I'm positive the fairy is smaller than this bread. So we're going to cut a little piece for the fairy. I'm just going to start over here. Maybe like this. Maybe make like a little square piece, like this. That should be small enough. And then I'll cut it.
Like a sandwich.
Yeah, like a sandwich, yeah. Okay, there we go. Now we gotta figure out what to put this in.
Oh yeah, I have my treasure box upstairs.
Your treasure box?
Yeah.
That little one?
Yeah.
Yeah, go get that. Tabitha's gonna run and get her treasure box, and then we can put the bread in there, and then we'll leave it for the fairy. Oh, yeah, perfect. Let me see. Hopefully it'll fit.
Put one right there.
Maybe we'll just put 1 piece?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to put 1 piece.
It'll be her lunch.
It'll be her lunch. Well, we'll see if she comes gets it. And then we gotta close it. Well, hopefully she'll be able to get it open. And hopefully our fairy will come. Okay, I got this closed. We'll clean it up a little bit. And then we're gonna leave it for our fairy. All right, me and Tabitha are outside and she has the treasure box. So we're gonna try to put it where I seen those fairy footprints by the tree. And let's see, where were they? Oh, they're all covered up now because of the snow. The snow melted and plus it snowed. But it was over here. Yeah, it was over here, Tabitha. Okay. No, let's put it over by this tree here. Go over there. Put it over by the tree. Woo! You don't got boots on.
Nope.
Okay, she's gonna set it down.
Right there.
We're gonna set it down right there. And hopefully the fairy will find it, open it up, and take her fairy bread. So Tabitha, do you think the fairy is real?
Yeah.
All right, great. If you don't know about our fairy find, please check out the video Fairies Are Real, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you get notified of our fairy videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.